loves, welcome back to a brand new vlog. So I'm starting this video. I just primed my skin. I'm about to do some makeup because it's 4th of July and we're going to see some fireworks and I want to look nice. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'll come back to you guys after I'm done.
How pretty you are. Do you want to say hello to the Range fam? Say hello. Say hello.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished my makeup. This is what it looks like. Just some simple things. This one lash will not cooperate, but I'm a fan. And I'm wearing this shirt. I'll show you guys an OOTD when I'm done, but this is what's going on. This is the look. Alrighty guys, so this is my outfit. I'm wearing just this really cute off the shoulder top from Rue 21. This is what it looks like. I'm wearing leggings from Nike. My flip flops are just from Target, I think personally. And yeah. Hey guys, so I am on the beach waiting for the fireworks to go off, and yeah, we're just sitting on the beach right now and waiting for fireworks to go off, and yeah. So we stopped after the fireworks and I got a lemonade. Compliments of mommy.
Hello. How are you? Coffee is my world.
Alrighty, Rain fam. I just got home from Ocean City, the fireworks, and my hair is up, lipstick's off, makeup is gross. I'm looking ratchet, but it's been a long night, it's really late, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll be vlogging tomorrow morning as soon as I wake up and whatnot, but for tonight guys, that's gonna be it. Good night. This is how you know it's been a successful night, when your lash is off, and this is the best feeling. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.